Let's do this. It's cooking day. Cooking day in Chiang Mai.
I have a friend who sits at the corner lot selling pills to the girls when they cross the
They say it's gonna be hot today. That's why. That's why we are in Nyorts. Nyorts. A plan, sir? Yes, just one. Yeah. Wait, ikaw na umorder sa kanila. Diyan, ikaw na. Pucha to. Wala, teka lang, inaano pa ako. Ay, meron din pala sila dito eh. Muffin.
Okay.
Oh, ayan o, dami. Oo nga eh, sana nag-muffin na lang din ako. Okay, thank you. Sarah House. Nice, ano po. Ito, ang ganda ng mga hanging plants nila. I love their hanging plants. Merong outdoor sitting. Ayan. Ang ganda ng garden. The place is called Sarah House. It's just near our Airbnb. And of course, important is the Wi-Fi. Water. Lagi, ayun, ano yun? Sa akin ba yun? Hindi. Lagi sila nagbibigay ng water every time.
Yung ito yung Hindi, sa coffee shop lang.
Baka nga sa coffee.
Nagmamanage mga yappies.
Yappies.
I'll be free.
Nice morning. O, tingnan mo yun, no? So, we're done with breakfast. Nag-coffee lang and some pastries. Kasi nga, we have a cooking class today. Ayan sila, nasa likod na naman kayo. Okay. Okay. One crispy pork, rice. Okay. Here's our food and our yummy food.
Ikaw kakain lahat.
Ano?
Ikaw kakain lahat.
Oy, Gwen, ha? You have to share.
Rich yung ano.
Ha? Oh, like that. So this is the start of our Thai cooking class. We go to the market first.
My name is Sam. So the brochure you can see me at the bottom, or you can see most handsome man. That's me. So nice to meet you all. I need to show you about the ingredients first.
Try to smell it, Gwen. Lahat daw ito ginagamit.
All right.
For all.
Turmeric only. Now this one optional, so not necessary. Actually, it depends on you. Depends on
That is turmeric. Here.
If we use it, we might become a lady. Yeah. So the other one is this thing. This thing. So finger root.
Finger root. Okay.
Or somebody like to call white ginseng because
This
of
is
ginseng.
galangan. Ito spicy ginger.
But normally
This one is finger root. What kind of basil?
Lemon.
holy.
Holy. Yan yung holy. That's pea eggplant.
Pea eggplants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is bergamot.
For Penang curry, if you like to eat
Sa
pumpkin.
shampoo. Yan yung naamoy natin lagi.
So masaman.
Hindi, sa pagkain. Oo, bergamot. Ito yung naamoy namin. Let's follow the leader.
So this one we use it for pad thai.
What's that?
Let you guess.
Tamarind?
No.
No?
But it's elephant poo.
No, of course
Right,
not.
right. Yeah.
It's tamarind, tama.
For you, for hangover soup, fried garlic.
This is fried garlic for your
I bring you
hangover soup.
Because I have a question about this one. So roasted.
So after the orientation, we go to the farm kitchen.
So So green fields like that, they start to grow it up again. And now about 2 weeks, and 2 weeks. But that one is we already harvest about 2 months.
Okay.
Like simple, I will let you eat pad thai and soup first.
So you stay here, Gwen, in the middle.
And the cup here. Oh, cool. Water. Yeah, for hot water like this. And continue.
Your mom is in the toilet. It's okay.
And we could have those dreams like no one else. It's just one more reason to control myself. It's just one more reason to control yourself.
And this one is potato.
Urong ka nga dyan.
But before, I need to tell you how to use our gas stove first. Like this to carry the rice on. Yeah. And welcome to Thailand, everyone. Also happy Valentine to you. And also you're gonna get Thai flavor today because of I bring my pillowcase. And I did wash it. We taste it. But at least if you like to cook like faster, you soak this one into water like this 9 hours, up to 12. Yeah. And I will make a flower for you to give it to your partner because of today is Valentine Day. And you can see we make a
This one, what's this? What's this? What's this? Clove?
No, it's the roasted shell, maybe? This is clove. No, that's not clove. Clove is over there.
This is the long pepper. This one. This is clove. Right?
This?
Yes, I think. This is clove. Yeah. This
Oh no,
one.
this is the shell. This is mace.
Maize or nutmeg. Maize.
Maize, yeah.
Uh-huh.
On top one hand to cover it here. Heat it, same as me.
I have a friend who sits at the corner lot selling pills to the girls when they cross the
Now how
block. I told him he should quit
Smell.
that
Wait.
sketchy scene. He said,
Huwag mong ano yan. Si Gwen, paano mo?
I wait for you.
After, you test it by your finger.
Oh. Ikaw muna.
Use your finger, Because of I will use your
Gwen,
spoon.
careful
Yummy.
Yeah.
You can do like this. Because of this one is palm sugar. I like
Palm
you to
sugar.
taste.
Oh,
So
okay.
now you spoon quite cream.
Palm sugar.
You can put it in here.
That is the one.
15 minutes and oil
Pad
and
Thai.
about 1 tablespoon. About few seconds only, and then tip everything except egg. I do help you immediately to add water.
What is hard every morning light? He told her everything ends when you reach that thrill. He
So
told her
and then do the egg immediately. Cut in four.
still, it's nothing new.
At least 2,000 grams. And then make it big, beautiful.
Ganun pala yun. Nice.
50 baht. And then we add this one, extra one after.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, no salt. And chili powder. So I add like a not spicy to let you for you to taste actually. Yeah.
Ganun pala siya.
Oh, still alive? Five.
Bakit?
Yeah. And I like you to taste this one as well. So when we eat, see, stir my soup a little bit. And then grab this one by hand. And then you grab the lid quickly to get a stir like this. And it's quite fun. Grab it. Just dip in the fruit like this.
Ah,
Right?
okay.
Like this and eat.
Mm.
Yeah, taste it.
Oh, taste. Oh. Then, ganun mo lang. No. Wait. Palo. Titikman ko lang.
이건 내가 하나씩 먹지, 엄마? 아니야, 깨끗해. 굉장히 깨끗해.
Oo, okay naman.
여기는 가도 돼. 앉아서 해도 돼.
Ah, sarap.
엄마가
Gwen's cooking. Pwede rin kay Gwen. Gwen is making patay of my... Oh, yes. Now we eat. Oh, Gwen's end product. There. Kay Jeng. And mine. Thank you. Now we eat what we cooked. What we prepared. Mine is delicious. Sa'yo, Gwen, anong lasa?
또 만들 거야.
Okay lang. Now we're cooking curry. This one is penang. Kay Gwen is green. Kay Jeng, masaman. Masaman. And our friend from Korea is cooking green curry. Now we're making papaya salad. Yeah. You like that?
Baby, to pretend that every word I say is what I really meant. And when I get my head back on alright, then we could be together for another night. And we could have those dreams.
Then you walk 45 degrees. And then tip this one from your hand. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Make a smoky.
Uy, muntik ka na dyan, ha?
For Japanese people now. So easy to cook and delicious. Also, Thai people, we love to eat with seafood more. I'm done. And taste it, please. And before you cook, you should taste it first.
Oh, taste. Now we're making stir fry.
Grab it. Get ready. Finish up. All right, now you finish. Put your spatula down on the table. Now, bend your walk for the front wheel. Wet. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Sauce, please. Sauce in. Sauce in. Sauce there.
Oh my God. Thank you.
And you got rice. Okay.
Yeah. And now we eat. We eat what we cooked.
So more extra rice over there.
Okay.
A lot of food.
Oh, yes. Nice one. Nice. What we made. Gwen's. This is Jeng's. Parang pinakamaganda yun sa akin.
엄마 이거 뭔지 알아?
뭐야?
Sarap mo yung stir fry mo?
안에 들어가.
저 나무 있잖아.
왜?
Okay. You're gonna miss this view, Gwen. Look at that.
It's what I do.